Good evening students. I am going to teach you the soil nutrient replenishment. इससे पहले जो टॉपिक हमने आपको पढ़ाया था वो प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द सॉइल था, उसके बाद सीडिंग था, हाउ यू हैव सिलेक्शन ऑफ सीड था, हाउ द seed is being sown in the land and the farm. Apart from that, today we will teach you the next process the farmer generally adopted, that is the replenishment of soil nutrient. Now how you replenish, renew the nutrient value of the soil, the content of nutrient in the soil. Just discuss. Soil supplies minerals and nutrients to the crop. Whenever you are going for cultivation for a particular crop, you require the minerals and nutrients for this. Now what do you do in mineral and nutrients? From where you get? You get from the soil. Soil from where they get? They get from the nature, by the nitrogen fixation, by the natural manures, by the agriculture, decomposition of the agricultural waste, plants, dead remains of the plants and animals. Now, the continuous growing of crop makes the soil deficient in the certain nutrients, and continuous growing of crops make the soil deficient in the certain nutrients and soil loses its fertility. एक्चुअली होता क्या है, जब किसी सॉइल में तुमने सीरियल्स की खेती की, some farming you have done it, and continuously year after year, season after season, you are going to use the same crop. The soil loses its fertility due to continuous loss of or using of a particular type of minerals and nutrients from the soil. So soil become deficient of that nutrient. Now to avoid this, different methods are used. You are using the crop. You might be seeing in your family also now use the cereals. Thereafter your father will say, I am going for pulses like peas, beans, soybean, leguminous plants. Why your parents goes for leguminous plants? Because leguminous plants has got a capacity to, due to rhizobium bacteria, they atmospheric nitrogen, they trap it, absorb it in the root beans and the roots. So, and convert the atmospheric nitrogen to simple nitrates, simpler nitrogen that can be used up by the plants easily. So nitrogen is supplied by the leguminous plants, and it is getting used up by even the cereals also. Now come to the part. Soil nutrients replenished from time to time by natural methods and by manure and fertilizer method. Nutrient, that is a nutrient replenishment in the soil is done by the natural methods or by the manure and fertilizer methods. Right? The nutrient which is deficient in the soil, that nutrient you supply to the soil. Simple replenishment technology. Either you supply through the chemical or supply through the manure, the agriculture, through compost. But complete the nutrient values, nutrient required for the crop. खेती करने के लिए जो nutrient चाहिए वो आप जैसे भी हो पूरा करो. You use fertilizer or use compost. वो कौन सा fertilizer यूज करोगे और किसकी आपके सॉइल में nutrient deficiency है. आपके सॉइल में नाइट्रेट की deficiency है तो देन आप नाइट्रेट से रिलेटेड fertilizer देंगे. फॉस्फेट की कमी है तो फॉस्फोट देंगे. आपके सॉइल में पोटास की कमी है तो पोटास से रिलेटेड फर्टिलाइजर देंगे. आप सॉइल को रिप्लेनिश करेंगे, उसकी न्यूट्रिएंट वैल्यू को रिप्लेनिश करते हैं. not only soil. Okay. Now we are doing by two method of replenishment of the nutrient value of soil. सॉइल के न्यूट्रिएंट वैल्यू को हम दो तरीकों से रिप्लेनिश कर सकते हैं. तुम खुद सोच सकते हो, अगर तुम्हारे सॉइल में पोटास की कमी है तो या तो पोटास नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज से सॉइल को दोगे या फर्टिलाइजर से दोगे, तभी सॉइल के न्यूट्रिएंट वैल्यू पोटास पूरा होगा. नाइट्रोजन की कमी है तो लिग्निनस प्लांट लाओगे या यूरिया लाओगे. तुम नाइट्रोजन दोगे सॉइल को, व्हेन यू विल गिव दीज न्यूट्रिएंट्स देन ओनली योर प्लांट विल ग्रो प्रॉपर. तो क्वेश्चन कम्स हियर, why soil replenishment of soil is nutrient replenishment of nutrient in the soil is required for better crop production, for better fertility of the soil. So by continuous use of a single type of crop, it drops the productivity of the soil, fertilization of the soil, that is the fertility of the soil. Now come natural methods. Natural method contains following: crop rotation and mixed cropping. Today we will discuss natural method of cropping. Soil, that is a nutrient replenishment. In the following, what do you mean by the following? This method, generally you might have seen in your home, they say that leave the soil for one season, don't plant anything. Just cultivate it, just plow it. Go for tilling, but leave the soil for one season or 2 seasons. So it is a soil get replenished by the nature, by the decomposition of plants and animals present in the soil. That is called following. Soil is left uncultivated for 1 or 2 seasons. The land regains the nutrient by the decomposition of plants and animals by microbes. The first method, the nutrient replenishment in the soil, is by following. Right? Second, by crop rotation. What is a crop rotation? Today, one season you plant wheat or barley. Next season, you plant leguminous plant like peas, soybeans. They will bring atmospheric nitrogen to you. So now, crop rotation. It is a growing of different crops alternatively on the same. It is a growing of different crops alternatively in the same. एक बार तुम मकई उपजाओगे फिर गेहूं उपजाओ, गेहूं उपजाओ रहो तो दाल उपजाओ, अरहर, मूंग, मसूर. सो ये क्या हुआ, आपने क्रॉप रोटेशन किया. नॉट दैट कंटिन्यूअसली लास्ट 3 सीजन्स यू आर गोइंग फॉर ए मेज, यू आर गोइंग फॉर जस्ट पैडी. लगातार एक बार गेहूं काटा, दोबारा गेहूं डाला, दोबारा ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. It is growing of different crops alternately on the same field. For example, wheat or barley. Wheat or barley in the first season, and then peas and soybean in the next. Crop rotation, wheat and barley in the same season, then peas and soybean in the next season. It helps in the replenishment of soil. Replenishment of soil with the nitrogen as rhizodium bacteria present in the root nodules of the leguminous plant. It converts atmospheric nitrogen into simple nitrates which can be easily absorbed by the plants. I told you in the crop rotation, one of your crop is cereals, you are growing the wheat. After you are putting the peas, what happens? The peas has got the leguminous bacteria which brings the atmospheric nitrogen and fix up with the root nodules of the peas. So, and it easily converts into the simple nitrates which can be used up by the plants. So like this, if you are doing crop rotation, your crop can be, you can have the better production, better fertility of the soil. The fertility of the soil can be maintained, nutrients present in the soil can be replenished, Apart from that, you can get better production, better crop and better yield. Now, mixed cropping. What is a mixed cropping? Here, in which two or more crops are grown together. वहाँ क्या था? Crop rotation. One crop, in one season one crop and next season the crop is changed. Here, two or more crops are cultivated together, planted together at a time. Like cereals and pulses, both you are putting together. Why you are doing? One plant's requirement can be fulfilled by the other plants. One crop's requirement can be fulfilled by other crops. Such crops are being selected. मतलब एक क्रॉप दूसरे क्रॉप की रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरी करता है, ऐसे क्रॉप हमें सेलेक्ट करना होता है इन द मिक्स क्रॉपिंग में. मिक्स क्रॉपिंग में क्या होता है? टू और मोर क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन टुगेदर. जरा देखो मिक्स क्रॉपिंग में होता क्या है. हाँ, लुक एट इट इज एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मिक्स क्रॉपिंग. Now look at it is your examples of mixed cropping. ठीक है, देख लिया.
Wheat and mustard. Wheat and mustard.
So wheat and mustard can be grown together. Wheat and mustard you can grow together so that the ligaments can be fixed up, the nitrogen, so the nutrient of the soil can be, fertility of the soil can be maintained. Right, children? So, the mixed cropping we have already explained it. Here, two or more plants are grown together in the same field. The nutrient requirement of one crop, is fulfilled by the other crops. For example, leguminous crop like peas and soya and cereals crop like wheat or rice that can be grown together. Okay? Thank you. So now pay attention, do the homework. Question number 1. Why we need mixed cropping? Second number question. What is the role of Rhizobium bacteria what is the role of Rhizobium bacteria in crop rotation? Answer these two questions. Okay, thank you.